In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite a collaborator to edit your Wix site. 2026 guide. If you're working with a designer, a content editor, or a teammate who needs to help you update your site, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to give them the right access, safely and efficiently. Start on your Wix dashboard, log in, then pick the specific site you want to share so you're managing the correct project. On the left-hand sidebar, scroll down and click Settings. This is where most of your site's behind-the-scenes controls live, including privacy, integrations, and most importantly for today, who can get in and what they can change. Inside Settings, open roles and permissions. This page lists everyone who currently has access to your site, along with their role and level of authority. Take a quick moment to review what's here. If you see old collaborators you no longer work with, make a mental note. You'll be able to adjust or remove them later. Keeping this list current reduces mistakes and protects your content and settings. To add someone new, click the Invite Collaborators button in the top right corner. Enter the email address of the person you want to help edit your site. Double check the spelling so the invite reaches the right inbox. The address you enter controls who gets in. You're not sharing your login. Each collaborator uses their own account, which is safer and easier to manage. Next, choose the correct role for their work. Website Manager is ideal for someone who needs broad control to manage, edit, and publish the site, but they still can't handle billing or delete the site. Website Designer fits a designer or developer who needs to edit pages, manage apps, and change themes without access to back office data. Content Manager is perfect for someone focused on updating text, images, or blog posts. Follow the principle of least privilege. Give only the access they need to do their job. This keeps your sensitive settings and billing secure while still letting them work efficiently. Once you've selected the role, click Send Invite. Your collaborator will receive an email from Wix with a link to accept. They'll log in or create a free account if they don't have one yet, and then they can start editing based on the role you assigned. If they don't see the email, ask them to check their spam or promotions folder. You can manage access anytime. Head back to Roles and Permissions, click the three dots next to a collaborator's name and choose Change Role or Remove Collaborator. This makes it simple to grant temporary access for a project and then tighten things up when you're done. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.